And did you know, by taking too much time off and having days where you don't even post on YouTube is killing your YouTube reach? It is. And did you know that every time you think about uploading a new YouTube video, that you got to have a new topic every time you upload? That's what's killing your views. That's what's killing your views. But I'm here to tell you that you can correct those issues that you're having to get more views. And if you listen to what I'm going to tell you, because I have 4 biggest beginner's mistakes that's ruining your views on YouTube. And if you listen to all 4, but especially pay attention to number 3, you're going to 10x those views that you wish you can have. But you can have it if you correct at least number 3. So let's get into the video. The first mistake that beginners make is taking too much time off and having days where you don't post on YouTube. I'm not telling you to post every day, but you're taking too much time off because the algorithm already know your schedule. If you was posting every day just to get started, to get in this groove, and then all of a sudden you stop posting, and then you posting from every day to every other day, then sometimes you posting every other week, the algorithm is saying, yo, what's going on? Yo, we understand that you was posting every day. That's why we pushing your videos out. But since you are not consistent, you're not posting all these videos that you was posting, we got to try to figure out your schedule. And since you're not posting on a regular schedule, you're just posting whenever you feel like posting, that's not good. The second thing that I want you to understand, the second biggest mistake the beginners make, every time you post a video, you thinking you got to have a new topic. I used to do that. I got to have a new topic every time I post. Oh, yeah, I can't post about the same thing. Oh, I got to be something different every time I post. Yeah, every time you post, the algorithm is saying, okay, you talking about YouTube, then you're talking about entertainment. Then you go talk about YouTube, then you're talking about politics. Then you're talking about food. You know I love food. Then you're talking about basketball. I love basketball. But every time you post about a different topic, the algorithm is pulling its hair out and say, who am I going to send this stuff to? The last person that was watching your videos, or the last 1,000 people that was watching your videos, they're expecting you're going to talk about YouTube. That's who I'm going to push the next video out if you talk about YouTube to those people. Those people are expecting it, so I'll push it back out to them. They're going to watch it. But if you're talking about YouTube today, then tomorrow you're talking about entertainment, those people that was looking at those videos about YouTube, if I push them about entertainment or the videos about entertainment, they're not going to look at it. And the algorithm says, I can't push it to them. I got to push it to some new people. The algorithm is there to help you show your videos to those people who was watching those videos that you already posted. So if you're posting about YouTube, you make another YouTube video, the algorithm is going to push it to those people who's watching YouTube videos that you posted. You posted about entertainment, you post another video about entertainment, YouTube algorithm is going to push those videos about entertainment to those people that they know going to watch those entertainment videos. Don't post about different topics every time you post. If you got 2 things that you want to talk about, you want to talk about YouTube, you want to talk about entertainment, fine, talk about YouTube and entertainment. Because that means the algorithm say, okay, we have people thinking about entertainment, we got people thinking about YouTube. You post a video about entertainment, they'll push it to those people about entertainment. You talking about YouTube, they'll push the video about YouTube. But if you haul off and talk about politics, who are they going to push it to? Or they got to find a new audience. The algorithm has an audience already waiting for you if you post videos on a consistent basis about a consistent topic. See, I'm posting videos about YouTube. I'm posting videos about experiences in my life. YouTube and becoming an author. YouTube and becoming an author. Going these digital products that we are creating on YouTube. And that's why my channel is growing. That's why my channel is getting a lot of subscribers. That's why my channel is getting, more exposure. Because I'm not posting different topics every time I upload a video. The next thing, this is number 3. When I told you, if you implement number 3, it's going to 10x your views. Going live. Going live. Because as a beginner, you can't go live. But if you got 50 subscribers and you're still posting different topics every time you get up there, and every time you say, okay, I'm going to take off 3 days, I'm tired, I'm going to take off a week and start posting again and lose that momentum. This is number 3. If you go live, you got 50 subscribers, you go live, you can 10x your views. I call it the My Time 10x. How? You go live. And when you go live, let everybody in your community know you're going live. Let everybody in another community going live that you're rocking with. Let them know you're going live. And every time you go live, you can 10x your views. How do you do that? You go live for an hour minimum. When you go live for an hour minimum, everybody that comes into that live, subscribers or not, they're leaving watch hours to you. You're not only getting views, you're getting watch hours. Everybody want to see you when you do a live. So here are the steps. Number 1, when you go live, have a title and a topic in the title section. Don't go live saying, my time is live now. I started that. My time is live. I was getting maybe 10, 15 people coming in. But once I put a title in that title section, all new YouTubers gather here. I have a message. I got more views. I got 700 people coming in watching that video of me doing live. So have a title and a topic in a title section. Number 2, interact with those people on the live. And the longer you interact with them, more people are going to come in and leave watch hours for you. But not only watch hours, they coming in, viewing what you have to say and building your community. And once you do that, you're going to get more views because those people who never seen you before is coming in on your live and they're viewing you. They're going to come back and watch more videos that you're doing. That's number 3. And if you implement that, you're going to 10x your views. Just by that alone, you're going to 10x your views. And the 4th and final one, the biggest mistake that new YouTubers make, you correct this, it's going to help you increase your views. You're missing out on the current opportunity to take advantage of the YouTube Shorts. Take advantage of the Shorts. Why? Because you could do one short and get 10,000 views if you implement these strategies. What's the strategies I'm talking about? You do one short in the morning, one short in the afternoon. It's still in the My Time community. This is why I tell my people in the My Time community, you do one short in the morning, one short in the afternoon. You put a title and a topic on that short. Put a message in that short. Has to be at least 90 seconds, no less than 90 seconds. Put a message in that short. Put some music, a current hot music that's out now in that short. Post one in the morning, one in the afternoon. Once you do that, your views will skyrocket. Not only your views will skyrocket, the byproduct of getting those views, you're going to get subscribers. Once you get subscribers, you're going to get more views. It's going to be a rotating system. It's called a 7-day challenge that I challenge everybody in the My Time community. One post in the morning, one post at night. 90-second shorts with the current music that's hot now, with a title and a topic. And you're going to get those views that you always wanted. So listen, those are the 4 biggest mistakes beginners make that is ruining your views on YouTube. And I just want you to know, I'm Anthony, My Time, and I'm here to help you. And if you need any help and assistance to grow your channel as you grow your life, and if you grow your life, your channel has no other reason not to grow, type in the comment section, help. And I'm here to help you. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel because I got more teachers and more trainings coming on. And hit that subscribe button. And when you hit the button, make sure you make it all. Because every time you hit the subscribe button, it's not all. But make sure it's all. Because this is my life. This is my experience. This is my time. I'm going to see you in the next video.